Friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you hot and sweet chicken recipe. This is very easy to make and very delish. A nice recipe that you can make in air fryer with very minimal ingredients. So let's see the recipe here. So here I've taken chicken breast. You can take chicken thigh or breast, both works. Add 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, salt per taste. So these are the 3 ingredients that we are going to use to air fry the chicken first. Watch till the end so you do not miss any steps and tips here. We are going to marinate it with hot and sweet sauce also. But before that we have to air fry the chicken. So let's put all the marinated chicken in the air fry basket. We will set the air fryer at 365 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. In minutes, we will take the chicken out. It's nicely cooked. Both the sides are evenly cooked. But we will prepare the sauce and we will air fry this once again. So do not miss any steps here. Keep watching till the end. So here I'm taking 1/4 cup of Frank hot sauce, red hot sauce, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of honey to this. Here I've added 2 garlic cloves coarsely crushed. So we have Frank red hot sauce, then we have honey, and we have taken 2 garlic cloves. Now add the cooked chicken to this sauce. Mix it well so each chicken is coated with this sauce. So it has the spice and the sweet from the honey and garlic for extra zing, extra flavor we are adding to this chicken here. We can add garlic powder, but adding fresh coarsely crushed garlic gives more extra flavor. So we will air fry this once again and we will set the air fryer at 375 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. That's it and it's done. So we are air frying it for 2 different timing and temperatures. So I will mention each and everything said here. And I hope you enjoyed this easy and simple quick chicken recipe that you can make in your air fryer. This is something very different from the recipes that I have shared till now. So yeah, hot and sweet chicken, very tasty and easy to make. See you soon with another video again. Till then, bye bye and take care.